You're watching Wisdom from the Docks. Simple lessons for powerful living right here in nature. So I entitled today's wisdom, Balance, Nature's Equation. The turtles get a little bit of it. Every now and then you'll see a bird come down here and grab some. It reminded me that balance keeps everything in order. And then I start to reflect on my own life. And I realize life is the same. Whether it's work, you gotta rest. If you're a giver, there's also room to receive. Sometimes we push real hard. Sometimes we gotta let go. If you don't honor balance, something's gonna break. Everything is required to move and flow in harmony. The ancient Egyptians called it Ma'at, balance. My mother once shared a wisdom with me as a child, and the older I got, the more it made sense to me. She shared this jewel. She said, never pick up anything, any habit, anything that you can't put down. Today I understand that to mean it's about having balance and not letting anything control you.